Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys a Redmi phone setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to disable app lock on Redmi mobile. Friends, you don't want to use app lock, you want to disable. So man, how to disable and how to turn off app lock on Redmi mobile. In this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile app setting, and then friends click on app lock setting, and friends you can see password setting. So guys, enter your password. Friends, you want to forget your app lock password, you can forget. Friends, I will enter my app lock password. After enter password friends, you want to lock any app, you want to unlock any app, so you can lock and you can unlock app from here. Friends, click here setting, and friends you can see this type interface. Friends, you can lock all app at one time. Friends, you can change password, you can use fingerprint. You want to add your mi account, so you can add your mi account. You want to use fingerprint, so you can use fingerprint. Friends, I don't want to use app lock setting. Friends, you can see turn off app lock. You don't want to use app lock, turn off app lock now. Okay friends, you can see app lock will off, and friends we cannot use app lock. If we use friends, again we will have to set up, we will have to set password, then we can use app lock on Redmi phone device. So like that friends, we can disable app lock, and friends you can check as your all app is unlocked. Friends, you can use your all app on your device, there is no any app. So like that friends, we can disable and we can turn off app lock on Redmi phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.